Hello everyone. Develop green buildings and constantly promote green and low-carbon development. Promote harmony between man and nature. Prefabricated buildings actively respond to the National Green Building Development Strategy. In such an era background, we should keep up with the pace of the times. Please follow me to open the door of prefabricated learning. Let me explain the following knowledge points for you. Hello everyone. In this section, we mainly introduce the production and installation of 1+X prefabricated building components, the basic operation of the post-simulation software platform in the examination platform, of the subject I, of the vocational skills level certificate. First of all, we first log into the platform, switch to the candidate. Click Login. After entering the left side, we'll display the candidate information. The top is the exam level. Certification window, divided into junior, intermediate, and advanced. At this time, we take the junior as an example. Click on the arrow. There will be multiple plans generated below. We select one of the plans. Take the composite slab as an example. Click Start. After entering, there are theoretical tests and job simulations. At this time, to the job simulation as an example. Next, we will introduce the basic operation of the post-simulation software. Select Normal Components. Where the environment shown is a layout in a factory, enter the software. Here is the exam time countdown. This is the candidate information. This is the setting button. There are resolution and clarity adjustments. In general, we do not need to adjust the settings. This is the Submit button. When we click Submit, after the operation is completed, our eyes turn to the upper left corner, which is the ambient temperature and component strength at this time. These two indicators will be closely related to the pre-treatment and maintenance of our components. Inside this small light bulb are shortcut keys, such as left-click on the maintenance shed can trigger the object menu. Then, you can select the steam storage settings. When the mouse is converted to a small hand, it proves that the device can issue commands. Hold down the right mouse button to rotate our perspective. Click F1 can quickly call up the help column. Hold down W forward, S back. A move to the left, D move to the right, Q move up, E move down. Hold down Shift plus Move key, can move quickly. This is some of the key operations in the help column. We should first carry out production preparation before planning selection, such as where preparation of labor insurance supplies, factory sanitary inspection, and equipment inspection. Before viewing the drawings, you need to open the plan selection. Which is the corresponding component drawing generated after we select the plan. There is a composite slab template reinforcement drawing, which is the drawing we will use later in the operation. At this point, you will see the blue and yellow block at the top of the screen, which is the module Progress Prompt. And the top of the screen will display the prompts of the 5 major process modules in the production process. Blue represents in progress, gray represents not in progress, and yellow represents completed operation. We are in the mold placement module. Click on the current progress. It will display the process prompts we are in now, such as the operation link of mold placement, where there are key process point tips of mold placement. Click Console. It integrates some key equipment into the operation table. which is convenient for production and use, where the operation platform is divided according to different process modules. There are two common parts, which are the mold, bench forward and backward. If you continue to click the mold bench to advance to the next process module, is also equivalent to directly clicking on the top of the screen to switch the function module. After the operation is completed, we need to finish the material cleaning link. Check the reset module. When we need to select the corresponding tool in the tool storeroom before triggering the command. For example, if we want to check the mold, we first need to receive a tape measure and the lateral bend tool. And the selected tool will enter the right tool storage area. At this point, it should be noted that the tool storage area can only store a maximum of 6 tools at the same time. And if you need to add new tools, you need to delete the unused tools before adding them. The difference is that there is no maximum storage capacity requirement in the raw material storage area, and multiple raw material types can be selected if necessary. Some raw materials are in the selection area, some raw materials are in the drag area. And the raw materials in the drag area need to be left-clicked to select, and then dragged into the 3D model to trigger the command. After we have completed the operation, we can click the Submit button in the plan selection to complete the submission. Or we can directly click the Submit button in the upper right corner. The above is the explanation of the knowledge points in this subsection, and I wish you a happy learning journey in the process of learning the prefabricated concrete building construction course.